Hey there, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video, I want to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S9, its final design, and of course, one of the most exciting leaks from this week, the new and improved Dex Pad. Now, as you know, the Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus have an accessory known as the Dex dock, which allows you to convert your S8 or S8 Plus into a full-fledged desktop station, which happens after you dock the S8 into the Dex dock. But this time around, Samsung will introduce the redesigned Dex Pad, which will serve a similar functionality, but of course with some improvements. So let's dive in and take a look at what we can expect. Now, before we dive in, I want to quickly talk about this fantastic mobile RPG title known as Alliance: Heroes of the Spire. It has 400 unique heroes that you can strategically combine in thousands of different ways to outwit your opponents in two cool game modes: fighting to death against crazy giant bosses, or battle real people and your friends in peer versus peer battles, which is quite a rush. I could speak about this game for hours, but I want you to download it right now via the links down in the description box below. Make sure to use the special links provided down below to get 50,000 gold and 50 gems right away. That's going to make sure you go into battle prepared to demolish those giant bosses and succeed in massive guild battles. Alright, so go grab the game from the links down below. Now let's talk about the S9's final design and the Dex dock. So basically we have massive amounts of leaks that all confirm the design of the S9 and the S9 Plus provided by the noted leakster Evan Blass and /leaks. So you can see that we have a familiar form on the front end and slight variations on the rear side, but overall the S9 kind of looks like the S8. The phone will be announced on February 25th in Mobile World Congress in Spain, Barcelona. Now, the so-called Dex Pad leak was also provided by Evan Blass, and as you can see, it now has a different form factor. It is in fact shaped like a pad, and instead of docking your Galaxy smartphone inside it, you will place it flat over the Dex Pad. Now, Dex Pad is not going to be wireless. You still have to insert the USB-C connector into your smartphone port to initiate the desktop mode. And of course, your phone is going to charge as you stay connected to the Dex Pad, and hopefully the actual desktop experience will get further updates and enhancements, but we don't have the particulars about that just yet. And that's basically everything I wanted to talk about in this video, so let me know what you think about the new so-called Dex Pad. I, for one, cannot wait to get my hands on one, both to use it and also share its functionality with you guys. And of course, I'm also excited to acquire the S9 and the S9 Plus for the same reasons. Alright, so make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH and click that notifications bell icon to get instant updates every time I upload a video. Guys, have a fantastic day, and don't forget to grab that awesome game via links down below.